the official seal of. Give the video a like if you've learned anything. GameJacker. Hello everyone, it's me, GameJacker from hackerbot.net, and today we're going to be talking about GameGuardian. Is it malware? Is it a virus? Or is it safe to use? Now, a lot of people, of course, are very skeptical when it comes to game jacking tools, and with good reason, because it's weird, right? You have to download it. It requires a root normally, although it can be run without a root. It requires you to allow unknown sources. Your device warns you against installing this unknown app. So what's the deal with GameGuardian? Is it safe to use? And TLDR, yes, it is actually the second cleanest game jacking tool out there, beaten only by HackerBot APK. This one right here. If you want to download that one, by the way, allows you also to find all the mods and get the best hackserinos in the game for any game out there. Just Google HackerBot and go to hackerbot.net, scroll down to download HackerBot APK. Anyway, so GameGuardian is the second cleanest software when it comes to game jacking, and in my opinion the cleanest memory editor specifically out there. And the only reason why HackerBot APK beats, of course, GameGuardian is because I programmed it myself. So I am 100% certain that there is no malware in there because I didn't put it in. So there we go. And GameGuardian is the second cleanest because all they basically do to make money is run ads on their website. And it's a great tool. There are no notifications, no pop-ups, no ads, nothing whatsoever. The third cleanest software when it comes to game cheating in general would be Cheat Engine, if you know that one from PC. What this will do is, there's two installers. The default one that you will download at cheatengine.org, that will come with a thing that changes your browser's default search engine, which is not very nice, and it can be seen as malicious software by some antivirus softwares, rather unwanted software. GameGuardian does none of that, and of course Cheat Engine also has a version that doesn't do that, that doesn't require the installation that does that, but it's really hard to get a hold of. We do have it though on hackerbot.net. If you just scroll down and you download Cheat Engine from here, you'll get a no installer version as well. So GameGuardian, all they do to make money is they run ads on their website. That's all they do. I have used GameGuardian for many years on Android through many versions, through many OS versions as well, and there has never been a single ad, there has never been a single detection from any antivirus. It's always been 100% clean. The only thing that's it's not even spam, it's just they advertise their official website within the app so people know where the legitimate website is. By the way, guys, very important to make sure that you download GameGuardian from a legitimate source, okay? Either you go to hackerbot.net and you just scroll down and download GameGuardian from right here, or you go to gameguardian.net, not org, .net. That's the official website, and you download it from there. If you download it from anywhere else, I cannot guarantee that it's clean, okay? Because as we know, since we are doing the game jacking, we know that APKs can be modded. So anyone can just download the official APK, put malware into it, modify malware into it, re-upload it, and then people will get infected with malware. So be very careful. The only places that I can guarantee are safe are GameGuardian.net and hackerbot.net, okay? And again, you can also find HackerBot APK there. Just Google game hacks or HackerBot, go to hackerbot.net. You can download HackerBot APK right here. It allows you to find modded APKs and all kinds of cheats for any game on any platform. And of course, GameGuardian as well, Cheat Engine without the installer if you are so inclined. And for iOS, the top memory editor at the moment is Game Jam. That one also has no ads to speak of as far as I have seen. A lot of other apps, not so much, like all the patchers and some of the miscellaneous apps that you could use. Game Hacker, for example, should be clean as well, but there are some miscellaneous ones that they will show you ads, they will sell your data. It's fishy. So, but GameGuardian, second cleanest in the industry, highly recommended. They say they have 171 million downloads, and I believe it because it is by far the best memory editor for Android. Only outdone, in my opinion, of course, by Cheat Engine, but that's a PC software, so they don't really compete on the same playing field and cannot therefore be compared. Although Cheat Engine, yeah, it does try to change your search engine. GameGuardian does none of that. So it gets the official seal of approval by GameJacker as a clean game hacking tool, and has been for many years, and I don't expect that to change. I think the tool is owned privately by who knows who, but I don't suspect. If they wanted to scam people, they would have done it by now, I think, after so many years, and of course they're probably making good money through the ads, so I'm not worried about this changing anytime soon. Just make sure you download it either from GameGuardian.net or hackerbot.net, no other place. And our official distributor, of course, is Cheatware, so that's where you download it. Anyways, guys, that is it from me. Absolutely safe software, don't worry about it. Of course, you will have to enable the installation of unknown sources apps in your settings. So in settings, and then you generally, it depends a little bit on your actual device, you go to security and then you enable unknown sources. And in my emulator, it's enabled by default. However, on physical Android devices, this will be disabled by default, okay? Again, and yeah, that's basically all there is. Your device will warn you about it. Oh, this isn't on the Play Store. And by the way, guys, there's no way GameGuardian can get onto the Play Store because it's a game cheating tool, and just the policy of the Play Store doesn't allow for that to be on there. That's also why HackerBot APK is not on there either. So we tried. You know, Google doesn't like apps that help you cheat in games, and that's fair enough. So that's why it's not on the App Store. Both these apps would definitely get onto the App Store if the policies were any different, because they're 100% clean. Anyways, guys, that's it from me. Give the video a like if you've learned anything. Join the Jackerbot army by subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions whatsoever about game cheating, leave them down in the comments. I try to answer 5 to 10 questions every single day. If your question is good, you get a like, you get a heart, and a lot of people see what you've written because it was intelligent, obviously. Anyways, guys, that's it for me. GameJacker out.